Hello and welcome to another edition of Kaizen Creations. Today we're making a Greek pilaf. The ingredients and the recipe can be found on our website at plantobefit.org/blog. This is going to be served with our roasted cauliflower spanakopita melts. The first step is to take a medium saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, bring it to a medium-high heat, add your garlic, your dry herbs. You're going to follow that up with the lemon zest. You're going to stir that around for about 30 seconds to a minute. You just want to get the fragrance of all the ingredients. Next, you're going to add your vegetable broth. We are using a better than bouillon vegetable broth. It takes about 2 teaspoons to 2 cups of water. Add that in. We're going to bring it to a boil. Once we brought it to a boil, we added our rice. We're going to add the rice and we're going to bring it up to a boil again. Stir that around, and then we're going to cover that with a lid, and we're going to bring it down to a simmer. And we're going to cook that for about 15 minutes. Once we've done that, you're going to take it off the heat and you're going to fluff it in with a spoon. And then you're going to add your garnish ingredients along with the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a little bit of salt and pepper. We recommend that you serve this on a tray or go ahead and put it on plates and then top this off again with our spanakopita melts. And that's about it. We thank you for joining us. And again, the recipe can be found at plantobefit.org/blog.